Are you looking for a university that doesn't just give you a degree but prepares you for the future? A campus where you don't just attend classes but actually work on technologies like AI, robotics, EV engineering, cybersecurity, data science, and more? Well, today we're exploring Manav Rachna University, one of the emerging future tech universities in India, especially known for its industry-driven B.Tech specializations and career-oriented MBA programs. If you're planning admissions for 2026, this video will help you understand whether MRU should be on your shortlist. MRU is located in Faridabad, NCR, just a short drive from Delhi. The campus is green, modern, and extremely student-friendly. You'll find dedicated labs, innovation hubs, startup incubation centers, sports facilities, auditoriums, and a very active student culture. But what really makes this university interesting is its focus on future skills. Instead of offering traditional B.Tech programs in an old-fashioned way, MRU has redesigned its curriculum to prepare students for industries that will dominate India in the next decade. Let's start with the most appealing part, B.Tech at MRU. Here, students don't just study engineering. They get hands-on industry exposure, future tech labs, and real project work from day one. MRU offers powerful specializations such as 1. B.Tech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, perfect for students interested in AI development, automation, neural networks, and future robotics. 2. B.Tech in Cybersecurity and Forensics, growing 10 times faster than traditional IT jobs. You learn network defense, ethical hacking, penetration testing, cloud security, and more. 3. B.Tech in Data Science and Big Data Analytics, for students who want careers in data engineering, business analytics, and predictive modeling. 4. B.Tech in Robotics and Automation. You work on industrial robots, sensors, automation systems, and IR 4.0 technologies. 5. B.Tech in Electrical Vehicles and Energy Engineering, one of India's fastest growing engineering domains. MRU offers EV labs, battery testing modules, energy simulations, and industry-led training. 6. Traditional branches, upgraded curriculum. Computer science, engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering. All upgraded with AI tools, coding labs, and modern tech integration. Industry exposure. MRU is known for strong tie-ups with companies for certifications, internships, and industry projects. Students work with real tools, not just theory. That's what makes these B.Tech programs future-ready. Now, if you're someone planning MBA after graduation, MRU offers a very practical and modern MBA curriculum. Unlike many universities that teach outdated management theory, MRU integrates industry case studies, hands-on business simulations, corporate mentorship, internship-driven learning, modern analytics-based management MBA. Specializations include marketing, finance, HR, international business, business analytics, entrepreneurship and innovation, digital marketing, operations management. What's interesting? The university has strong connections with corporates in NCR, giving students better internship and placement visibility. Along with B.Tech and MBA, MRU also offers BBA BCom Honours, BA Honours, BSc programs, integrated law programs, Bachelor of Education MSc specializations, PhD programs. You don't need the full details, just know that the university is multidisciplinary and has academic options across technology, business, science, and law. Campus life at MRU is vibrant and highly engaging. There are clubs for music, dramatics, robotics, innovation and R&D, entrepreneurship, sports. The campus hosts cultural festivals, tech summits, hackathons, and corporate talks regularly. If you want a mix of academics plus extracurriculars plus a modern lifestyle, MRU fits well. In engineering and MBA, the most important factor is placement support. MRU offers personality development training, coding clubs, industry certifications, workshops by corporate trainers, career mentorship. Companies visiting the campus typically include IT firms, fintech companies, consulting firms, manufacturing companies, and emerging startups. Placements depend on your skills plus specialization, and future tech branches like AI, cybersecurity, data science, and EV generally offer higher potential packages in the long run. So, if you're aiming for a future proof career, especially in engineering or management, MRU is a strong contender thanks to its industry driven curriculum, modern labs, and wide set of future tech specializations. If you're someone who wants a balanced campus life, plus good learning environment, plus strong skill building ecosystem, this university deserves to be on your list. If you're confused about admissions, colleges, fees, specializations, or placements, we help students find the right college based on budget, goals, and career plans. You also get scholarships, fee benefits, application discounts, and complete guidance till your admission process ends. Just contact us. We'll help you make the right choice.